Namaskar, welcome to How to Tour. Today we are going to letting you know something about this bot Airdopes, that how you can pair these with your mobile phones and easily use and enjoy whatever you want to do. Now I'm just going to letting you know something about that how you can easily pair this device, connect this device with your mobile phone. First of all, you don't have to do much more. That's very easy. First of all, like the video, subscribe the channel and get more update like this. Now what we have to do, first of all, we have to just open this case from over here and just take out them into your hand and check out that both are blinking light on them. That means both are on. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to Bluetooth section and we have to switch on the Bluetooth. If it's off like this, you have to just on it, and if you don't find Bluetooth over here, you have to just go to settings and from there you have to find out the Bluetooth option over there. Click on that and switch it on. Now we have to just go below and we have to just click on this search devices or check for available devices. It will search device and as you can see Airdopes 141. Now we have to just click on this. It starts pairing and it's asking you that you really want to pair. You have to click on this pair, and now as you can see it's showing that its battery is 100%. It is just connected with your Airdots. Now we can easily just play some music or enjoy that on our earphones. Yes, we can enjoy these type of musics on our earphones. As you can see, I just playing this music on your ears. One pair is just playing music on your ear. Hope you understand that how you can pair these type of devices with your system. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. As you can listen, the music is very loud. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.